If there is one thing we care the most in our life, then it's our family. While we all are easily replaceable at work, it's the family where we are irreplaceable. And it's our responsibility to ensure financial protection of our family. Because, let's be honest, life is uncertain and people go into deep crisis when they least expect it. Which is why it is wise to have yourself covered with a cushion that answers the question, what happens to my family if I am not around? And that's where one of the most important aspects of our financial planning is to take a term plan. So that in case of an unfortunate event, your dependent parents, wife and kids can continue to live a dignified life. Now there are various types of term plans in India that many people are not aware of. And that's what we will discuss in today's video. In fact, there is a special category of term plan with 100% refund of premium at no cost, which is getting a lot of popularity. So I'll explain the key features of this category. And towards the end, I'll share 5 pro tips that you must keep in mind before opting for term plan. Fifth one is the most important pro tip. So watch this video till the end. Alright, let's get started. To begin with, there are various types of term insurance policies in India that offer dual benefit of life insurance and investment. However, I always advise that it's better to keep life insurance and investment separate. And when it comes to life insurance, the best option is to opt for a term plan, which is the purest form of life insurance that offers a high life coverage at very nominal cost. Now there are broadly 3 types of term plan categories in India: regular term plan, return of premium term plan, and 100% refund of premium at no cost. Under a regular term plan, if the policyholder dies during the policy tenure, his or her nominee will get the sum assured. However, if the policyholder survives the policy tenure, no maturity amount is paid. Next, under term insurance return of premium category, the policyholder receives back all the premium paid minus the GST in case he or she survives the entire policy term, provided all the premium of the plans are duly paid. Please note that this category has a higher annual premium as compared to the regular term plan. Then third category, term insurance with 100% refund of premium at no cost, is a new variant of term plan in which the policyholder has the option to exit the term plan at a certain age and get all the premium amount back that he or she has paid minus the GST. Simply put, a 100% refund of premium term plan comes at the cost of regular term plan at no extra cost and provides the flexibility of exiting the term plan if the policyholder wishes to and getting a refund of all the premium they had paid. All this can be done at no extra cost. Now let's try to deep dive into this category. Let's first try to understand why there's a need for a term plan with 100% refund of premium, and then we'll look at its feature. So while regular term plans are the cheapest and the best form of life insurance, some people still don't understand the need for term insurance. Their thought process is that if they survive the term plan tenure, they won't get any benefit. Then second category, return of premium, does pay the entire premium back to the policyholder at the end of the policy term, but some people find it expensive. To cater to that segment, insurers have launched a third category of term plan with 100% refund of premium. The interesting aspect is that this plan comes at the same premium like regular term plan, and it has a special feature to exit at a specific life stage and get the entire premium back. So you get the flexibility of getting a refund of your premium at the same cost of regular term plan that would have costed much more in return of premium term plan. Let me help you with an example. So I found a very interesting article on Policy Bazaar that explained every feature of term plan with 100% refund of premium with great example. If you scroll down, you can find how this plan works with simple example. So let's say a 30-year-old male, a non-smoker, buys rupees 1 crore life cover up to 75 years of age. The monthly premium he will pay is 1150 plus GST. So total premium till the age of 60 years would be 4,34,874 plus GST. Now at the age of 60, if he decides to stop this plan, he will get the entire premium back, that is 4,34,874 rupee. If you further look at the key difference between term plan with 100% refund of premium and term return of premium plan, as mentioned, this category gives 100% return and are less expensive than return on premium, where return of premium plan charges 70 to 80% higher premium than regular term plan. Here you have option to choose if you wish to exit the plan early and get the premiums refunded, or continue the plan as it is till the end of policy term, whereas in return of premium, your cover will continue till the end of policy term and the return of premium will happen at the end of policy term only. You can't exit in between. To get the list of current insurers offering this option, you can simply visit Policy Bazaar. Just enter the basic details like name, date of birth, etc. and click on View Free Quotes. Simply answer questions like whether you are salaried or self-employed, select your annual income, educational qualification, do you smoke or choke tobacco, and you will get the list of plans with details like claim settlement ratio, coverage period, and monthly premium customized for you. You can compare and buy from over 20 insurers on Policy Bazaar platform, where 1 crore term plan starts with as low as 473 rupee a month. And remember that term plans also help in tax saving under Section 80C. Since Policy Bazaar is an online portal, it helps in saving cost because premiums are lower than buying offline from an agent or bank. There's also a discount up to 10% when you take the term plan online. Policy Bazaar also provides 24/7 claim assistance, and all the calls are recorded to avoid mis-selling. There's also dedicated claim support for your family for free. If you need offline assistance, Policy Bazaar representative also pay a home visit during selection, documentation, claims, or any other process. In case you want to explore Policy Bazaar, I'll share the link in the pinned comment. Now, what I really liked about term plan with 100% refund of premium category is the flexibility to exit the plan at an early stage. For instance, let's say you have opted for a term plan for 70 years and at the age of 55, you meet your financial responsibility and have accumulated enough fund to meet your requirement. Then you can always discontinue the term insurance by opting for 100% refund of premium at no cost. Of course, the real value of the money that you will receive would be lower than what you paid, but it is still much better than regular term plan where you don't get any premium back. Now, every term plan has some additional riders that are optional features that can make your term plan more comprehensive, and you must be aware of it. So let's have a quick look at the riders. First rider is Accidental Death Benefit Rider. This rider gives your family access to a larger cash payment or death benefit if you die in a covered accident. Second is Critical Illness Benefit Rider. This rider helps the policyholder financially in case they are diagnosed with a critical illness during the policy tenure, like your cancer, stroke, kidney failure, and so on. Then third rider is Accidental Disability Benefit Rider. This rider provides a regular income to the family in case of a permanent disability of the policyholder due to an accident. Then another key parameter you must check before shortlisting a term plan is claim settlement ratio. Claim settlement ratio is the percentage of claim that an insurance provider settles in a year out of the total claim. For example, a claim settlement ratio of 98% means the insurers have settled 98 claims out of 100 claims in a year. Now let us look at the 5 pro tips while taking a term plan. So first pro tip is don't delay the term plan. Please note that the term plan premium is directly linked to your age. So when you are young and disease free, you can lock in lower premium rate for the entire policy duration. But if you delay the purchase of a term plan, your premium can increase significantly. Second pro tip is opt for an adequate term plan cover. Today you might think that a term plan of 1 crore would be enough for your family, but if you consider an inflation rate of 6% in India, 20 years later 1 crore would be worth only 30 lakh rupee. Would that be enough? So before finalizing the term plan coverage, make sure that you take into account your family's expected future expenses and also consider all your financial obligations like loan or any other due payment. Then third pro tip is don't depend upon company provided term plan. Nowadays, many private companies in India offer a term plan to their employees, and I'm sure a lot of you watching this video would have an employer provided term plan. While employer provided term plans are a good perk, there are a few issues with them. First, since it's a group term plan for entire organization, it generally lacks important features that you must have in your term plan. And second, when you switch your job, your existing term plan is discontinued. So you need to ensure that your next employer provides you with the term plan. Moreover, if there's a gap in joining the next organization, you'll have a risk of not having a term plan during that period. So I believe that it is always better to take a separate individual term plan. Then fourth pro tip is inform your nominee about the term plan details. I have personally seen cases where families have struggled to claim the term plan amount after the death of a breadwinner because they had no clue about the details of term plan. A lot of people make this mistake of taking a term plan but not informing their nominee about the details of the term plan. So you must ensure that you fill in the right nominee detail at the time of taking the term plan, and your nominee should clearly know about the details of term plan. And the fifth pro tip is always disclose relevant information while filling term plan form. There have been many cases where the term plan insurance claim got rejected just because the policyholder did not disclose the right information at the time of filling the insurance form or filled the form incorrectly. Please understand that insurance companies require accurate information to assess the risk involved and determine the appropriate premium for your policy. Any failure to disclose important details or providing false information could have serious consequences, such as denial of a claim or cancellation of policy. Please make sure that the right details are filled in your presence, because your form will play an important role in deciding whether your claim will get approved or rejected. So in this video, we explored the various type of term plan and deep dive into the term plan with 100% refund of premium. We also covered various riders and 5 pro tips that you must know before taking a term plan. In case you are interested to know more, you can explore Policy Bazaar platform that offers all the required information before buying a term plan. You can even compare and buy from more than 20 insurers directly online in a smooth manner without any hassle and secure your family future. I have provided the link in the pinned comment. I hope you'll find this video useful. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. I'll see you next video. Till then, take care.